So for privacy reasons, sometimes you might want to delete out the history. So in order to do that, you can go on to the three dot icon over here on the top right, and then you can go to history, and here you can see that you can access all of the history. So if you want to remove out a specific history or all of the history, you can go on to history right here, and then you can go around and then select the history you want to delete by clicking on the check mark button and then click on delete just like this and click on remove. So once you do that, you can see the history, that is that particular history has been removed out and is no longer accessible. You can simply go over here and then remove this from history as well by clicking on this menu right here. So now let's say, for example, you want to clear out all of the history. So in order to do that, on the left side, you can see that you have an option called clear browsing data. So if I were to click on it, what happens is that you are given an option. So you are given basic option. You also have other option right here, but I just want to delete the browsing history. And you can also go around into advanced right here if you want to select specific things. So I'm just going to go to basic. The settings are same right here. So you can also go around and delete the download history, for example. And we're going to talk more about these things later in the other videos. So if I were to go around over here and clear out, you can see that it will clear out the last hour history. Let's say I want to clear out the history for the last 7 days. I can also do all time, but I'm just going to select last 7 days right here and clear data. It'll confirm once more if you want to really remove this out. So I'm just going to press OK, got it. And then once I do that, what happens is that in the history, you can see that it has deleted out the history from the past week. So from the date of the recording, that is, you can see that 4th February is the last week from the date of the recording of this video. And you only see the history from that date onwards. So everything else has been deleted. So there's also tabs from other devices over here. And what you can do is you can see that this has been opened 12 hours ago, 8 days ago. You can also go around and then hide this out right here. And then it won't be displayed. So it's hidden right there. And that is how you can remove specific and all history inside of Google Chrome to protect your privacy. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.